Science is everything we experience on a daily basis. To explain these everyday marvels in a fun and enriching way, IQ Kids offers Science Alive for ages 5 to 6 and the Easy, Emerging Artists and Science for the Young program for ages 3 to 4. These age-appropriate science enrichment classes enable children to understand simple scientific concepts through multisensorial hands-on activities. Each Science Alive class is designed to help children answer their own questions through inquiry. Children will then translate their understanding verbally and through drawing, writing or simple chatting. Science Alive's curriculum is made up of 4 themes, with the first being energy and forces. Under this theme, children will explore topics such as light, wind, sound, push and pull, friction, gravity and simple mechanics. The second theme that children will explore is physical and chemical marvels, where they will discover about matter, electricity and chemical reactions. Following that, life science and ecology wonders will bring children one step closer to understanding their environment and nature. Children will learn about plants, human bodies, animals and the ecosystem. Last but not least, the theme Magnificent Science will present children with awesome activities using everyday materials. These materials include milk, tapioca flour, potatoes, and recycled materials, to name a few. Science Alive and Easy Structure develops reasoning skills that increases each child's ability to process information through observation, deduction, and creating new connections. The hands-on approach lets teachers observe and respond to each child's individual strengths and needs. Children will cultivate problem-solving skills and are exposed to scientific approach of trial and error. This approach welcomes error and interprets it as valuable information as opposed to failure.
Is she correct?
Yes!
Give your children the tools to become independent learners by joining us at Science Alive.